Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing. Make sure your device has admin rights, a stable internet connection, and you can change network settings. Install an open VPN client now because VPN Gate distributes. Often profiles that only OpenVPN understands. Once done, open the VPN Gate site and download a server. Often file that matches your needs, low load, desired country, and acceptable ping. You do this first to avoid interruptions later. It's faster to test a known good profile than to troubleshoot mid-setup. Now import the OFPN profile into your Open VPN client and connect the profile. If a login prompt appears, enter any required credentials included in the profile notes. Otherwise, it should use the embedded cert and key. Make sure DNS is set to the VPN's DNS or to a trusted resolver to avoid leaks, and check the cipher or compression settings only if you know what to change. Once connected, verify your public IP and test a simple website to confirm traffic goes through the VPN. To finish, confirm the VPN is active by checking your public IP and running a DNS leak test. This proves both routing and DNS are protected. If you see no change, disconnect and try another. OFPN server from VPN Gate, servers rotate and availability varies. Make sure to restart the Open VPN service after switching profiles. A key troubleshooting tip: inspect the client log for TLS or route errors, and temporarily disable local firewalls or security apps to isolate the problem before re-enabling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.